Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the tool. Check the head, blade, and scriber for burrs or debris. Once done, loosen the locking screw and slide the blade into the head to an approximate position for your cut. Make sure to leave the screw slightly loose so you can fine-tune alignment. Use the square against a known straight edge to get initial contact, then snug the lock just enough to prevent gross movement while you proceed to precise adjustments. You now refine the square. Press the stock firmly against the head to establish the 90 degrees reference and make small blade adjustments until the faces seat without gaps. Then use the blade scale or the scriber to mark your measurement. Verify by drawing a test line. Make sure to check the angle with a trusted tri-square or a digital angle gauge to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, fully tighten the locking screw and recheck them. You finish by transferring the marked lines to your workpiece and clamping the piece securely to prevent movement during cutting or routing. After the operation, verify critical angles and dimensions, measure twice, cut once, so errors are caught early. If you find misalignment, don't force fixes. Loosen the blade, reseat it against a precision straight edge or truing block, then retighten and recheck. A single key troubleshooting tip. If lines drift, clean mating faces and retighten using consistent torque to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.